Just out the front of GSL this morning, going in for a jet ski safari.
Woo!
I'm number one.
To start the jet ski, we need to press the red button and hold it for 3 seconds. Once it starts to go forward slowly. I'm going to use these signs today. This is okay? Because, yeah. If I press this one, since I'm asking, yes, please answer. If you feel really good, this is double okay.
Halfway.
I'm so slow. That concludes our lovely jet ski safari with GSL tours, where we loved it. It was awesome. I was a little bit slow. You were fast. Woo! So fun. But yeah, you guys got to do that. It was absolutely awesome.
Yeah, great little tour. Last just over an hour. Go out to the island, possibly see some turtles. We didn't see any today though. But yeah, great little experience here at Airlie Beach. Definitely worth doing. See ya.